Just a quick update on this left bicep distal tendon detachment. The distal tendon is the one down by the elbow. This occurred back on April 21st. Today is April 30th. I had to have surgery on it within 3 days. Everything went well. At one point, doctor told me that this would be coming off and he would check it, maybe possibly put another brace on it. Right now, I can't wait for that to happen because this is the most restrictive thing right now, having this on. I just want to get a brace that has more air in it. As a result of this being on and covered up, it tends to get very uncomfortable. And also, too, I developed a small heat rash a little bit right here. And I didn't go to the doctor yet. I did call about it, but I put a little hydrocortisone on it, and it seemed to clear it right up, or started to. It was a lot worse yesterday and the day before, but yeah, it just itched and burned. But that's as a result of I had this in a sling for the first portion of this after the operation, and my arm just sat here like this. And when that happens, all that heat builds up in here constantly, and it just doesn't give us any room to breathe. So when I finally took the sling off. I couldn't take it anymore. It sucks. But I noticed right away I had this burning and itching here, and that's what it was. Anyway, still got this on. I put a call into the doctor today. Today's April 30th again, and I'm trying to see if we can just switch this out. There's something else that has a little more air in it. That's it. Everything's looking good. The pain is subsiding a little bit every day. Not really taking any painkillers anymore. Still have a couple left, but ibuprofen seems to do the trick now. That's it. That's the update. Thanks.